Hi, I'm Mike Workman, owner of GasOutdoorPatioHeaters.com. I have the advantage of having any patio heater I want on my home, and I chose the Calcana heater. My wife and I are lucky enough to live in Laguna Beach, California. We get some nice breezes down here. That's the nicest thing about this heater is we're able to enjoy the sunsets, the cooler nights, the winters, it doesn't matter. We're always on our patio because of our views and the way it is here in Southern California.
The advantage of this, having a Calcana on your patio, especially a large one like this, because I love the outdoor living experience, we're able to enjoy any time of the year. Because here at the beach area, it can tend to weather change. You never know what you're going to get in the evening time or even during the days. So just sitting out here relaxing, even reading a book, you can be comfortable at any temperature.
This Calcana heater here is the PH75HO, the 10-foot heater. The reason I chose this heater is because we have a lot of power. Like I said, we can idle it down to 37,000 BTU, bring it all the way up to 75,000 BTU, and anywhere in between, which is great. It'll come from here all the way past our table. We can dine over here, we can sit under here and drink some wine, we can entertain. It was just one of the best things we ever bought for this patio. Because normally when we get the breeze from the ocean and the dew, we can't sit out here. With this heater, doesn't matter. We can always sit out here, it's great. I highly recommend this heater. They make it in a 5-foot, 10-foot, 11, 16, and a 21-footer. Calcana has a strong backing with good ownership, good quality product. I highly recommend it.